Welcome back to my channel Gitter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the issue when you can't access your router's IP address or web interface. First, open the search bar, type CMD, and click on Command Prompt. Here, type IP protocol configuration and press Enter. Look for the line that says Default Gateway. Copy this IP address and paste it into your browser's address bar with https:// before it. If it fails, try opening it in another browser. If that still doesn't work, turn off your router, wait for some time, and restart it again. If the issue is not solved yet, press Windows +R, type nkpa.cpl, and click OK. A network connections window will open. Now, if you are using Ethernet, click on Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. In my case, I am using Wi-Fi, so I'll right-click on it and select Properties. Now, scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on it. After this, select the options Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Finally, click on OK to save the settings. Now you should be able to access your router's web interface successfully. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gitter Official.